Hey, we're a band called Reilly from right here in Milwaukee. Our latest album is called Revelry and Regret, due out February 22nd. First single off the album is right here for you, a song called Fireflies. Here we go.
She don't know what he feels, and he don't know how to keep it all inside. Even more, he'll let it out and out and out of his mind. It drives him out of his mind, but she is able to find a way to make her life worth living for today. And oh, tells him the weather. Tells him when they all go away, children of the day, the laughter fading with the growing sunset light. I am never afraid of the messes that I made, 'cause the fireflies are free at night. He is here and he don't know what he feels, and he don't know how to get around. It seems like all the world is crashing down around it inside out. He's crying, feels like he's the one who's dying, trying to remember what she told him growing up so long ago. Tells him the weather. She tells him when they all go away, the children of the day, the laughter fading with a growing sunset light. I am never afraid of the messes that I made. The fireflies are free at night. Fireflies are free at night. She tells him the weather. Oh, she tells him, let me hold you now, as the sun is going down around me. Let me hold you, babe, keep me warm until my grave, down in the dirt so deep. Yeah, let me hold you close. We must make the most to do it